Get rid of that damn mustache. Still there. Granny.
Asshole! Suffocate him. Suffocate him. Can I sit on this? I will anyway. Give me the towel.
Here you go.
What? Isn't that beat up Sarah did? Jesus! Your day. I don't like my day. You like my day better than I like my day. Don't leave me. Do you mind?
Actually,
No, I know you don't.
Hit someone.
You punched me.
Someone hit someone.
Stop.
Come on. I want to see blood.
There won't be blood. I'm gonna castrate you.
I'll rip your vagina out of the socket.
Too bad you can't rip my vagina out of my socket.
Hey, Sarah.
No, I'm not looking at you.
Sarah.
What?
Come on, let go, Chelsea.
No, that hurt. That's weird. Like, ew. It's like, yeah, give me Monster and cookies. Oh, that's mine.
It's recording! Woo!
Don't even.
Dumb bitch.